Dear student, in last period we learned about the plastic and type of plastic, that is thermoplastic and thermosetting plastic. We learned what is thermoplastic and thermosetting plastic, its use, etc. Now, today we learn about the characteristic properties of plastic. What are the properties or characteristics of plastic? So, plastic are not react with water and air. Therefore, plastics are not corrode easily. The nature of plastic is non-corrosive. Therefore, the plastic does not decompose easily. Destroy of plastic is rather difficult. Second characteristic of plastic, plastics are lightweight, lower price, therefore plastics are cheap and good strength. It means plastics materials are strong and easy to handle. Handling of plastic articles are easy. Next, plastic are generally cheaper than the metal. Suppose the bucket of metal are costlier than the bucket of plastic. In other words, the bucket made from plastic is cheaper than the bucket made up of any metal. Therefore, plastics are generally cheaper than metal. Next, plastics are poor conductor of heat and electricity. We know that what is poor conductor of heat and poor conductor of electricity. If material cannot pass electricity through them are called poor conductor of electricity, and those materials do not pass heat through them are called poor conductor of heat. So plastic are poor conductor of heat and electricity. It means that plastic do not allow to pass heat and electricity through them. Therefore, plastic are poor conductor of heat and electricity. Now, on the basis of this characteristic, uses of plastics are determined. On the basis of the property of plastic. So what are the uses of plastic? The plastics container are used to store various items like water, meat, pickles, dry foods, oils, chemicals, etc. This is possible due to non-reactive nature of plastic. Plastic are non-reactive, therefore it is used to prepare container which store water, milk, pickles, dry fruits, oils, chemicals, etc. Second use of plastic. Plastic are used in cars, accessory, aircraft and spacecraft because plastics are lightweight and strong as well as durable. This property of lightweight, strong and durability, the plastic is used in the accessory of cars, spacecraft and aircraft. Next, plastics are used in the covering of electrical wire because plastics are poor conductor of electricity. For this property, plastic are used in the covering of electrical wire. That is insulator. You know that the different type of wire, different color of wire are shown, and this color is made from a plastic material, and plastic is a poor conductor of electricity. Therefore, outer covering of electrical wire is made up of plastic material. Another use of plastic are used to prepare handle of vessels, frying pans, utensils, etc. Because plastics are poor conductor of heat. Therefore, the handles made from plastic do not allow to pass heat to them. Then we can easily handle the frying pans. Next use of plastic is plastic are used in the healthcare industries. Sealing of injection, stitching thread which stitches the worn wrapper of tablets and capsule, bottles of syrup, etc. are made from plastic. So plastics are used in the healthcare industries. Many surgical instruments are also made from plastic. Special type of plastic is used in the microwave oven. We use microwave oven in our kitchen. The type of plastic is required in the microwave oven is there, having the property which heat up but does not melt. Such type of plastic are used in a microwave oven. This is a special type of plastic. Another type of plastic, that is Teflon, is a type of plastic which is used for non-stick coating on cookware. We have many utensils in our kitchen which are non-stick cookware. These non-stick cookware are actually made of aluminium and having a thin coating of a plastic. This plastic is a Teflon type. Therefore, Teflon is a type of plastic which is used in the non-stick coating on a cookware. Melamine plastic. Last period, we learned about melamine and bakelite plastic. Melamine is a type of thermosetting plastic. And melamine plastic is used to prepare uniform of firemen because melamine plastic is fireproof plastic. So, dear student, today we learned about the characteristic property of plastic and uses of plastic. Thank you.